Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Nom. To begin, you'll use your keyboard's WASD or arrow keys to navigate your character across the game map. Your primary goal is to grow by consuming smaller items and players. Simply click your left mouse button to eat. Remember to steer clear of larger opponents and environmental hazards, as they can quickly end your game. Mastering these basic controls is your first step to becoming a top player. The core objective in Nom is to dominate the leaderboard by becoming the largest player in the game. You achieve this by continuously consuming food pellets scattered across the map, as well as any players smaller than you. Every item you successfully eat contributes to your overall mass and score, making you progressively larger and more powerful. Keep an eye on your size indicator to track your growth and strategize your next moves effectively. To truly excel in Nom, you'll want to employ some advanced tactics. Look out for speed boosts, which can be crucial for escaping larger predators or catching smaller, faster targets. Certain game maps also offer temporary power-ups, such as invincibility or rapid growth spurts, giving you a significant advantage for a short period. Consider strategically splitting your character into multiple pieces to cover more ground and consume several targets simultaneously. For consistent success in Nom, always remember a few key tips. When you are a smaller player, it's often wise to stick to the map's edges, where you're less likely to encounter massive opponents. Pay close attention to how other players move. Anticipating their actions can give you a crucial edge in both offense and defense. Most importantly, regular practice will sharpen your reaction time and refine your strategic thinking, helping you climb the ranks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.